listen instructions.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to Vlogcetera. And for today, we are going to have a day tour to Melaka or Malacca, and that is through Klook tour. So let's go. And we are going to be picked up from here sa hotel namin. Nandito kami ngayon sa Lavana Hotel, and this one is actually located just here in Chinatown. And I'm going to create a separate vlog for the room or the hotel tour. So for now, let's go down because the pickup is going to be here in a few minutes. Thank you.
Please take one water bottle each. For you. Water bottle. You need to listen instructions. I'm not going to shout or not scold anyone. That is not how I do tours. Okay, so along the walking tour to
Hey guys, we are in the bus stop, and little less than an hour before we reach Melaka. So yung bus stop na to is just for a quick bio break, or if you want to buy some quick food. And now it's starting to get sunny. Kaya maya-maya pa, good luck to the weather. For sure it's going to be humid ulit. I'll show you around here. They only have here a few food trucks. Parang dalawa lang yung nakita ko. And then CR this way. Yeah, meron din mga vending machines doon sa labas.
bicycles. Yeah, that's all trishaws, or we call it as becha. If you want to take becha, or spin and spin and spin, then only the car will start. This one is a firefighter in Malacca and Malaysia. So the Dutch make that Up here.
Sa amin, hindi na kayong bus.
Oh, but let's go. Okay, then we rush down to that car is original, but no MG. Let's go see the shape of the car. Let's go see the shape. Carino Kasi State.
Hey guys, we are here currently at the mall. Ang pangalan niya, yun, the Taran Palawan Melaka Mega Mall. But we're not here to shop. We're just waiting for our bus to bring us to our yung restaurant kasi kami kakain ng lunch namin. So at least dito malamig-lamig. I was not able to video a lot dun sa labas kasi sobrang init. We were just following our tour guide dun sa mga stops actually. Inside Melaka, yung square. And then we end here. This is where we're going to wait for our bus to bring us to our lunch place.
Jonker Street starting from here. Enjoy. Go and try white coffee. White coffee very famous.
We're still here guys at Jonker Street walking, and temperature so humid. Kaya let's just look for a cafe where we can stay and try their famous white coffee. Hey guys, this is Daily Fix. Yeah, they also have there a bakery and smells coffee all over here. This is still part of the Jonker walking street. Traveler. Hey guys, we're now here at the Pavilion Mall, and we are going to check yung Daddy Cinema for whatever is showing here. And katatapos lang nung tour namin, dito na din kami sa area to nagpa-drop off. And then after getting the ticket, check muna tayo ng quick dinner kasi 8 p.m. pa yata, 8:30 yung next showing. So we're now here at Daddy Cinema to get our ticket. Let's go! We're now back here, guys. Tapos lang namin mag-dinner sa baba.
Cracky.